If n to the fourth power equals 64, and n is a real number, what is the least possible value of n cubed? Express your answer in simplest radical form.
Minus 16 root 2.
That is the correct answer.
Let me see how many seconds it will take me to explain this problem to you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If n to the power of 4 is equal to 64 and n is a real number, what is the least possible value of n to the power of 3? We're asked to express the answer in simplest radical form. If n to the power of 4 is equal to 64, then n is equal to plus or minus the fourth root of what? 64. Yes. And we know that 64 can be expressed as what? 16 times 4. So therefore, n is equal to plus or minus the fourth root of 16 multiplied by 4. And we can split the fourth root, right? The fourth root of 16 times the fourth root of 4. So we have n to be equal to plus or minus the fourth root of 16 multiplied by the fourth root of 4. The fourth root of 16 is equal to what? 2. You should know that because what? 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 will give us what? 16. Therefore, we can say that n is equal to plus or minus the fourth root of 16 is 2 and the fourth root of 4 is square root of 2. Square root of 2. Why? Because you know fourth root can be expressed as power of 1 over 4, right? 1 over 4. And 4, we know it is the same thing as what? 2 to the power of 2. So 2 can go into 4 exactly 2 times. So we have 2 to the power of 1 over 2, which is simply square root of 2. But remember, we are looking for n to the power of 3. So n to the power of 3 is equal to the whole of this thing. Plus or minus, because power of 3 is odd, it will not change the sign. Plus or minus 2 root 2 to the power of 3. What does it mean? It means 2 to the power of 3. 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8. So this is what 8 plus or minus 8 multiplied by root 2 to the power of 3 means what? Root 2 times root 2 times root 2. Root 2 times root 2 is 2 times root 2 is 2 root 2. So we have 2 root 2, right? And finally, 8 times 2 will give us 16. So we have plus or minus 16 root 2. But we are talking about least. Positive 16 root 2 is greater than negative 16 root 2. So since we are talking about least, we are going to take the negative value. Therefore, n to the power of 3 is equal to negative 16 root 2, which is our final answer. So how many seconds?